And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate us waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And now, let's look at same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. We take close hold and we start with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. We continue with double reverse spin with ladies heel turn. Now we dance Contra check and natural pivot. We continue with a Ronde twist into standing spin. Now man moves backward into open impetus with heel turn. And from promenade position we dance a running weave for 2 bars. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, ready to move diagonally to center with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. Now we move down line of dance with double reverse spin. Diagonally to wall we do Contra check and natural pivot. Now we move against line of dance with leg Ronde. So we turn around. We finish this standing spin ready to move diagonally to wall in open impetus, and from promenade position we move diagonally to center with running weave, and second bar moves down line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.